In this video, we listed the 5 best camera drone on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Xiaomi S2S Drone. This product is a foldable drone equipped with a variety of advanced features. It includes a pressure sensor for height setting, optical flow positioning for stable flight, and a 1503 brushless motor for powerful and long-lasting performance. The drone also features an 8K divided by 6K divided by 4K HD camera with adjustable lens angle, as well as hand gesture shooting and video recognition capabilities. With a control distance of 100 meters and a flight time of approximately 25 minutes, it offers flexibility and endurance. The drone can be controlled via mobile app, and comes with features such as one-button return, headless mode, and obstacle avoidance. Additionally, its lightweight design and 3.7V 2000 mAh Li-ion battery make it suitable for extended use. Number 2. Kai TWO Pro Drone. The drone from Xiaomi is a camera drone designed for aerial photography, with a maximum takeoff weight of 2 to 3 kilograms. It comes equipped with a 3-axis gimbal camera mount and a 4K camera for capturing high-definition video in MP4 format with a resolution of 4096 by 2160 pixels. The drone features a complete omnidirectional sensing system, GPS connectivity, and a maximum flight time of 25 minutes with a 7.4V 2200 mAh removable, replaceable battery weighing 72 G. It operates on a 2.4 GHz frequency with a remote distance of 1200 m and can withstand wind speeds of less than 10 km per hour. The control channels include APP controller, remote control, and Wi-Fi connection, supported by an app available in English. Certified with CE, the drone lacks obstacle avoidance and spread tank volume, but offers stable camera stabilization through a gimbal image stabilizer. The brand originates from mainland China, highlighting its lightweight profile at 266 G, making it a portable and efficient option for capturing aerial footage. Number 3. Xiaomi Mijia G6 Drone. The Xiaomi Mijia G6 Drone is a professional foldable quadcopter with a range of impressive features. It comes with a 5G frequency and 6Ch channel, powered by 8x23mm brushed coreless motors. The quadcopter battery is a 3.7V 3300 mAh LiPo, while the transmitter requires 3x 1.5 AAA batteries. The GPS version offers a flight time of 15 to 35 minutes and a remote control distance of 8000 m. The drone also features obstacle avoidance, a 120 degrees wide-angle camera, and various camera options including 5G Wi-Fi 4K HD, 6K, and 8K. With foldable arms and GPS positioning, it provides stable flight and can connect to mobile phones for real-time image transmission. Other features include altitude hold mode, orbital movement, waypoint flight mode, headless mode, one-touch return function, and low power protection. With a compact size and impressive capabilities, the Xiaomi Mijia G6 drone is designed for professional aerial photography and enjoyable flying experiences. Note: it is recommended not to purchase pure batteries separately due to transportation restrictions in many countries. Number 4. Xiaomi V168 Drone. The 5G Wi-Fi quadcopter features a 7.4V 2000 mAh LiPo battery, providing a single battery life of 22 to 25 minutes with a charging time of 90 minutes. It has a remote control distance of 3000 m and comes in a sleek black color. The camera options include 5G Wi-Fi 4K HD, 5G Wi-Fi 6K, and 5G Wi-Fi 8K, with a remote control adjustable camera angle of 90 degrees. The quadcopter is equipped with GPS positioning, 5G Wi-Fi function for real-time image transmission, altitude hold mode, orbital movement, and waypoint flight mode. It also features one-touch return, takeoff, landing, low-power protection, and interference immunity. The aircraft is foldable for easy portability and comes with a remote transmitter. Additionally, it has LED lights, follow, surround flight, headless mode, and Wi-Fi FPV capabilities. With its durable construction and various flight modes, the 5G Wi-Fi quadcopter offers stable and enjoyable flying experiences. Number 5. XKJ K911 Max GPS Drone. The K911 Max GPS drone is a professional-grade quadcopter equipped with obstacle avoidance technology and dual HD cameras capable of capturing video in 4K, 6K, and 8K UHD resolution. It is suitable for operators of all skill levels, from beginners to experts, and can be used both indoors and outdoors. The drone features a foldable design, brushless motor, and a remote control distance of 1200 m. With a flight time of 20 minutes and a 90-minute charging time, the K911 Max is equipped with advanced features such as app-controlled operation, auto return, follow me mode, and FPV capability. Additionally, it is certified with CE and comes with a range of accessories including batteries, a remote controller, USB cable, and operating instructions. The drone is made of plastic and metal materials and comes in a sleek black color. Its image transmission distance is 1000 m, and it is recommended for ages 12 and above.